Here we are with another video. On this case, we're gonna service this unit. Well, I already came yesterday weekend, so today Monday. I already know what's wrong. I got the parts to fix it, to replace it, but I want you guys to see what I saw, and maybe you can tell me what's wrong. You can find out what's wrong. There is the furnace. There's the return plenum. I guess that's a extension of a return plenum furnace. There is the transition, the coil, and the plenum again. That's a supply plenum. But the weird part, the furnace should have the access on the front, right? In this case, they did it like that. Filter on top, access doors on top. Have to climb on top of the 2x4s to see the unit. So this is the unit. So share your comments and let me know what's wrong with this unit. What's the right way it should be doing? I mean, it should be installed. Thank you.